Okay, so a couple of matrix transformations here that we need to have a look at. Let's have a look at the first one there. The curve, we've got our curve is transformed according to that particular transformation matrix. We end up with a function that we need to get into that form. All right, find A, B, and C. So again, we just multiply out our matrix. So 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1. And then we get our 4y plus or minus 3. So we have 4y minus 3 and our 2x plus 1. They're the new x value and new y value. Rearrange x minus 1 on 2. Okay, or x dash minus 1 on 2. And we get y dash plus 3 on 4 as the new x and y values. So once we've got that, we can just substitute those into whichever rule we've got. And the rule we've got is obviously y equals 1 on x. So y dash plus 3 on 4 is equal to 1 over x dash minus 1 on 2. So probably I've decided to manipulate the right-hand side first. We divide by a fraction, flip it upside down and multiply. So it gives me a 2 over x dash minus 1. Multiply that 4 across, we'll return that into 8, and then subtract 3, which gives me the rule. So there's my rule in the format that they require. The only other thing then they had to say is find the values of A, B, and C. Okay, so we had to specify those. So clearly A is 8, B is -1 because it should be an x plus B in the bottom. And since we've got a plus C, C must be -3. All right, same thing for 12. Okay, in fact, it's a very familiar function, isn't it? If you recall, we did those functions with worded descriptions a bit earlier. All right. So we'll have x dash is equal to minus x plus 2, y dash is equal to 4y minus 3, just using your matrix expansions. All right, again, x equals, take the x across, the x dash back, so we really just end up replacing it. Plus 3 across, divide by 4. So there's my two other transformations, substitute those into the rules that we're looking at. So there's my y dash plus 3 on 4, negative x plus 2 inside. We've spoken about how that negative sign is raised to the power of 2. So we can have -1 squared, which is +1. So I can write that as 4 times x minus 2 all squared. The 4 had to multiply everything, yeah, from the 1 to the 4. And so we end up with the new function, y dash is equal to, whatever that is, 4 times x minus 2 all squared plus 1. All right, good luck.